answer. Kids are home, aren't they?
Man, the lights are on in their bedrooms. It's okay, Maggie's home. This is what I've been waiting for.
And serves the most amazing food yet.
The dishes tonight were the best that we've seen.
Will win.
You are now $100,000 richer.
The grand finale, Monday, 7:30 on 9.
Can Whoppers get any better?
Yeah, start with Hungry Jack's flame grilled smoky barbecue flavour you just can't get from pan fry. And top with pineapple, cheese, bacon and barbecue sauce. The new summer barbecue Whopper.
At Wallace Bishop, giving is everything. It's loving her with this, or popping the question with this. It's finally finding his gift with one of these. It's even a big "We love you, Mum and Dad." Shop in store and online now. Shop Wallace Bishop.
He's the bloke who runs Qantas.
Alan, a few years ago, a whole bunch of smart people thought you were the worst executive in the country. Those smart people now believe you're the best. Which one is true?
How he flew the company through its toughest days.
Does everyone like Alan Joyce?
Sunday at 7.
Check out the town, get a feel for what's going on.
Gotcha.
Non mais attends. Déjà il est super tard là, moi je suis dehors. Bah oui je suis dehors. Non, arrête. Sérieux? Oh hi Belle. I'm going to learn. Wow, what's wrong with the dress? Today's your fun. You don't lend your fun to people.
Yeah, you take care of the firehouse and meet us outside the town hall. We'll take the cops.
Okay. I finally get so impatient, they just shoot him, boom, 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 put him in the fucking hole.
This fucker's out of control. We don't imagine the kid's gonna go to Plan B tonight.
Gotcha.
What's going on? We're out of here.
Bye.
Hi.
It's Belle.
I can't really talk right now. I'm having dinner with my father.
I won't keep you long. Just wanted to tell you that I love you and hear your voice one more time before I go.
You're leaving soon?
Yes,
Where are you going?
to be with you.
We've already talked about this. For now, it's better if we just give each other some space. When my sisters come down, we're having a big family meeting. I really can't talk right now.
Monsieur, je peux vous aider?
Sorry, I don't speak French.
Try that. Found it.
Can you ring in? Okay? When I get back from Paris.
I'll call you back.
I got a question for you, young man. How many people are in this firehouse?
Nobody? Just me?
Good news.
kids go out, they're not in their rooms.
No, they're supposed to be at home.
Oh, yeah, well, I guess they must have stuck out. That's what kids their age do, right?
Maggie, do you have any idea what they could be?
No, well, I guess if you let them have cell phones, we could find out.
Maggie, look. Stan's activated the emergency plan. You're leaving tonight.
What's wrong? Things went badly at the Film Society?
It was a complete disaster.
Powell and Albert at the intersection. Bernie and Tommy on the street there watching for the feds. They must have a hideout with a view of the house. Let's you cut off the back exit at the